Welcome back, cruisers. It's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we'll be exploring a junior suite on board Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas. Before booking, be sure to contact your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link below for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. On Royal Caribbean's Icon class ships, the Junior Suite sits in C class, which is the entry-level tier of the Royal Suite class. This category is designed to give you a taste of the suite life with some great luxury upgrades. Inside your room, you'll enjoy premium plush bathrobes, high-end toiletries, and an upgraded pillow top mattress for a great night's sleep. For my fellow coffee lovers, they'll also include a premium Lavazza espresso machine right in your room to kickstart your mornings. On top of that, you'll get priority embarkation boarding day and earn double Crown and Anchor loyalty points for every single night of your cruise. Now, when it comes to dining, you do get access to the suite's only restaurant Coastal Kitchen, but for dinner only and strictly based on availability. Unlike the higher Sky and Star class tiers, dining here is not guaranteed, but overall, C class is the perfect option if you want extra space and a few high-end VIP touches without jumping up to the Sky or Star class suites. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first step inside the suite, on one side you'll have a full-length mirror to check out your outfit before heading out, and directly across is the entrance to your bathroom. Right on the wall, you'll also spot your main temperature control. This digital touchscreen gauge is incredibly high-tech, acting as your thermostat and the central lighting control for the entire suite. Stepping into the bathroom, you'll immediately notice that this is a rather impressive size for a junior suite on Royal Caribbean. You're greeted by a large vanity featuring a large backlit mirror with built-in open shelving on both sides to keep your daily essentials organized. Right on the side, you have two standard US outlets with drawers down below to tuck away your smaller toiletries. They've also included wide open storage cubbies underneath those drawers if you need extra space. Directly across from the vanity is the shower tub combo, equipped with an adjustable shower wand up above and a built-in retractable clothesline to dry out everyone's swimsuit. This tub is a great addition for families who need that dedicated bath space for the kids in the evening. Plus, because you're in a suite, the space is stocked with premium upgraded Madeline Getz bath amenities, which is a wonderful high-end touch. Stepping back into the room and around the corner, you'll find a small dedicated closet that houses the Wi-Fi hotspot specifically for your room, which is a massive upgrade to ensure you can take full advantage of that high-speed Starlink internet on board. Just around the corner is a hallway with a full wall of storage leading to a small writing desk that doubles as a vanity. It features a magnifying mirror on one side, and the desk opens up to reveal your hairdryer tucked inside. For charging your devices, the desk area is also equipped with standard US outlets and a USB port. Lining the corridor is a wall of built-in storage. One side features plenty of hanging storage with a pull-down bar to add more hanging storage if needed, while the other side houses your plush suite class bathrobes and slippers. You also have plenty of drawers, open shelving, and your digital room safe, perfect for smaller valuables like your wallet, phones, or tablets, though not quite large enough for a laptop. Just a few steps further is your in-room refreshment station, featuring that Lavazza espresso machine that I mentioned earlier, stocked with a great selection of espresso pods and teas. Down below, on one side are 3 deep storage drawers alongside your mini fridge, and right on top of the counter, they've also included a handy combo plug and a Euro plug for charging. Heading into the bedroom space itself, you're greeted by an upgraded Royal King bed with premium linens positioned looking directly out the floor-to-ceiling windows. This is a configuration I wish we would see more often on many cruise lines. And if you're traveling with friends or family, this can easily be split into 2 twin beds instead of 1 large bed. On both sides are small nightstands with drawers to tuck smaller items away. On one side of the bed, you'll have a standard US outlet along with USB and USB-C ports for charging, while on the opposite side, you'll only have USB and USB-C ports. For families traveling with more than 2 guests, the corner features a cozy sofa that converts into additional bedding. If you have 3 passengers, the 3rd guest would sleep on top of the sofa bed, and the 4th would utilize the pullout tucked underneath the sofa. In the opposite corner, you'll find a comfortable reading chair sitting beneath your large interactive flat panel smart TV, which is loaded with live TV channels, ship information, and on-demand movies. Best of all, the TV is mounted on an adjustable arm so you can easily angle it towards the bed or the couch depending on where you're relaxing. Lastly, stepping out onto your large side-facing balcony, these junior suite balconies are deep enough to comfortably house a full-sized outdoor dining table set for 4, alongside a plush lounge chair with a matching ottoman. It's the ultimate spot to enjoy your morning Lavazza espresso, share an outdoor family breakfast, or simply kick back with your feet up to soak in those gorgeous side-facing ocean views, no matter where you happen to be sailing in the world. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. If you enjoyed this tour, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel for all your cruise content. And until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to see you all out on the high seas on board Royal Caribbean, perhaps having a perfect day at Coco Cay.